everybody, and welcome back to another one of our Wednesday videos. We're out in the garden again, so what I want to do today now is get all these pots and all that, get all the weeds and everything out and do as much as I can today. We was down at the allotment on Monday, and you know, there's not much we can do right now until when we can get things out. But I think with flowers, you've got different times to plant out flowers. The potatoes ain't come through yet, I planted out here. Some of the onions are just starting to sprout now. These onions what I planted was the old onions what I had. You can see they're starting to sprout. If the onions underneath ain't usable, then what I use the stalks for cooking and that, so that's not a problem. So we've got all these twigs and everything, all these pots to weed out and everything, and as we go along you'll see the progress what we make. So please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So we're going to carry on and then I will show you the progress as we go along. Right everybody, we've got all these pots along here dug over. They look like that now, but once I start putting in the plants and that, I'll top these ones back up and top them up back with some new growth straw. So we're going to tackle this corner now, then I'm going to see how much I can do over there. My back's not playing ball today, so I have to be a bit careful, otherwise I'll be laying down all day. So we're going to do that and then see what we can do over here. I've got the rhododendron bush there what I need to deadhead and prune up, and this grapevine what I chop down every year. Last it was all up in the plum tree and everything, but I managed to get the plum tree pruned up. Not how I would like it, but I didn't, when I put this plum tree in, I didn't know it was going to be one of the ones what got tall and big. So every time when the season's ended now, I've got to prune it right back or see what to do. And then this pear tree is the one what's there for when we got air, and this was a desert pear, but we only use them for juicing, so we'll see how it goes. So we'll carry on and then I'll show you what we've done for today. Then the next time, now I've got all this to dig up and sort out. Well, most of it is to be sieved and put into pots, so I can put flowers or veg or whatever in there, refresh it and everything. So we're going to carry on, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so we've made some progress in that corner behind. I left all the flowers and that, these come up all the time, so I just left them in there, and I was starting over here, but I might have to leave some of it for now. I didn't want to really go back in that corner, but I've got 2 pairs of snips. I've got more in there, and they're always just go useless, so they ain't got no power to cut down that grapevine. And I wanted to get to that rhododendron, and then this one is very weak as well, so I have to get another couple pair of snips, so that's going to delay a bit. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and see if I can get some of this stuff down here cleared out, that area there. I've got that grapevine to take out again, and I've got another tree up there what keeps coming back every year, so I'm going to try and see if I can get to that. And then I've got a couple of pots here, these 2 pots here, what I need to get this stuff out. This stuff that comes up all the time in the garden, it just comes up and then it runs all over the place. So you notice I've got my longer gloves on, so these now, that you can grab hold of stinging nettles and everything with these, and it don't penetrate it. So just gonna see what I can get out. Then I've got this, where is it? I just pulled out a bit. This stuff always comes up as well with these white leaves. So I'm going to try and get that out as well and see how far we get. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so we got some of it cleared. I've got to get into that corner there, let my cameraman come around and show you. That's my rhododendron. I deadheaded it anyway, so I've just got to prune it up a bit. And then I've got all these pots down here to empty. There's a bush around the corner, and then I've got this area here to clear up, and then I'll come down to here and that. So that, sure, it's slow, but you know, you do a little bit at a time and you'll get there. Just got to fold this down so I can use it next time. So if you're liking our videos, please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.